What's up, you guys? So you know how everyone's doing this, I did a blank tutorial. So today I am doing a mahogany curls wash and go tutorial. Since my channel is a little bit more hair focused than makeup, I'm still getting into my makeup thing. I don't feel like I can really give y'all a tutorial or anything, or definitely follow anybody, because I've been doing my own thing on my face. I don't know. Anyway, so today I'm going to be doing a mahogany curls wash and go tutorial. Products that she used were Mixed Chicks, so it was a leave-in conditioner, and then Eco Style Gel, the black castor and flaxseed oil. I will link her video down below, and let's get into it. Alright, y'all, so this is freshly washed hair. I didn't wash it with the Mixed Chicks because I don't have any of the shampoo conditioner, but I did find the leave-in at Target. I didn't really want to buy a whole thing if I wasn't sure I was gonna like it, but I'm gonna try it out. Never used this leave-in before. I will say I don't really like the way it smells. It doesn't, I don't know, it doesn't really have a smell, but I've smelled better things, if that makes sense. But does anybody else do their hair and it's like the back of it is just, it's a breeze, you go through the back so fast, but then it'd be the top in the middle of your hair. It really, the middle of your hair, really. You thought. I would normally, in my normal wash and goes, I would use the gel as I'm putting it in the conditioner, like in each section, but we're gonna wait it out. I was trying not to use too much because I didn't want it to run out while I was using it. But since I have some more left, I'm just going to go through and coat a few more of the strands. Coat a little bit more. Kind of seemed like she just going, randomly with the gel. No particular method, so I'm gonna just do the same thing. There's definitely a little bit of like the residue on it, but I think it'll dry. Okay, so I'm gonna let it dry and then I will be back after it dries. Alright, you guys, so my hair is pretty much all the way dry. It's really crunchy. I don't know if maybe it was the technique, but maybe did it make her hair crunchy? Probably. I may have used too much gel because I do love me some gel. So I don't know. It's crunchy, but it's defined. So maybe if I wait a day, you know, sleep or whatever, it'll be a little bit softer tomorrow. But hopefully it's not crusty. That would be the thing. If it gets flaky when it loses the cast, or if it'll, you know, have some definition but just be a little bit softer, I think it'll soften up. So I have some hope. I do like the way it came out. I think that my curls are pretty defined. I wish it was a little bit softer and it felt more moisturized. What's going on? That it felt a little bit more moisturized, because I think when it feels crusty like this, it doesn't feel like it's moisturized, but it very well could be moisturized. I don't know, you know. But you know, Mahogany curls, her hair is just so pretty, and I know that we definitely have two different hair types, but I think that I would say that it worked on me. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this little tutorial, and I will see you guys in my next video.